and hit. Pockets on 22 clip. I'll make a order, come on, go soon. Put on a shirt, get put on a black. Feel like a stain, get ready to lick. I had to tell her that 36 hours a dick. No house of shit. She singing my songs, she wanna dial it. Tryna get hit, house like a bait. Deposit beat, positive check. Smile on my face, ain't paying shit. Come and get checked, ice on my neck. I'm on her wrist, she in the sky. Hell of a cat, push out the chips, 400 packs.
Yeah, I spend it in Paris. Just for these hoes, they finna flock. Just for fun, it's all they vibe. I'm just finna hit, I'm feeling hip. I'm rusting the oil on my divas. I
feel like the rock.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. If I was you, I would cut up my wrist. Exo tatted all over her body. Oh, she just wanna roll and I don't mind it. Ever since I was a G, I've been legit. Oh no, you should let her go. She wanna be double O tatted on her body. Yeah. It don't matter what they say, I'm timeless. City on fire when I'm coming home. Fill up the sky, I fill up the dome. They'll play it one day, it's a hell of a show. But it's gonna hurt, cause we did it first. Feel like skateboard beat, BBC boys on the creep. Feel like it's 03, Neptune drum with a beat. She hit me flipping a beat, she wanna fuck with the team. She fell in love with the green, she fell in love with the scene. Oh yeah, her man quiet, not a beat. Broke his heart, PTSD. Hold his chest, let it breathe, let it breathe. Nigga scheming, I got a priest, he got a cross. Get out of line, send him to God. I shed a tear, pray for her loss, oh yeah. Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. If I was you, I would cut on my wrist. Exo tatted all over her body. Yeah. She just wanna roll and I don't mind it. Yeah. Ever since I was a G, I've been legit. Yeah. You should let her go, she wanna be